In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Polly on Slack. Polly is a simple polling tool that lets you quickly gather feedback from your team without leaving Slack. It's great for things like picking meeting times, making quick decisions, or just checking in with your channel. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a basic poll using a simple command, and by the end, you'll be able to spin up a poll in just a few seconds. First, open Slack and go to the channel or direct message where you want to run your poll. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or even a private conversation, depending on who you want to respond. Click into the message box at the bottom, just like you're about to send a regular message. Now, to start using Polly, you'll type a special Slack command. In the message box, type #Polly. Make sure you include the / at the very beginning, because that tells Slack you're using an app command rather than sending a normal message. You don't need to add anything else yet, just start with #Polly. Next, you'll add your question and the answer options, all in quotation marks. This tells Polly exactly what you want to ask and what choices people have. For example, you could type, Polly, which day works best? Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Notice the structure here. After Polly, you have your question in quotes, followed by each option, also in its own set of quotes. You can customize the question to fit your situation, and you can change the options to whatever makes sense for your team. Just remember that every question and every option needs its own pair of quotation marks, and they should all be on the same line. Before you send it, quickly scan your question and options for typos, and make sure the wording is clear so people know exactly what they're voting on. Clear questions usually get better, more reliable responses. Once you're happy with how everything looks, press enter, just like sending any other message. As soon as you do that, Polly will create the poll right in the channel. Your teammates will see the question, the options, and the buttons to vote. They can click their choice, and the results will update automatically for everyone to see. That's all you need to create a simple poll with Polly on Slack. Type #Polly, add your question and options in quotes, and press enter to send.